Up next from Detroit Speed and Engineering out of Mooresville, North Carolina, Kyle, the Iron Man Tucker. Kyle was dubbed the Iron Man last year when he was driving not only his 70 Camaro and not only their Chevy 2 test car, but also the Chevelle that wife Stacy is driving right now. And to make matters worse, he breaks the Camaro and spends Friday night working on it over here in the manufacturer's building. Kyle has been as quick as 30.686 at his last time. Talked to him this morning. He said the car is great. If I could get the monkey behind the wheel to actually pay attention, I'd be okay. $33,658. He knocks it down again. $33,658 is best lap of the weekend for Kyle Tucker from Detroit Speed and Engineering.